Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are going to learn a new topic from our EVS textbook. So before going to the topic, I would like to show you one picture children. So see this picture children? Yes, in this picture you can see two boys, isn't it? There are two boys in the picture. The first boy is very strong. So observe the picture children. The first boy is very strong. He is able to lift up the dumbbells. And the second boy is very weak. The second boy is very weak. He is unable to lift the dumbbells, isn't it? So the first boy is a strong boy and the second boy is a weak boy. And children, do you have any idea how did he become very strong? And why this boy is very weak? Any idea children? Yes, I will tell you children. This boy is very strong because he is eating healthy food. Because the boy is eating healthy food. He is taking healthy food. Whereas this boy has become weak because he is not eating healthy food. He is not eating healthy food. So our topic is about food. Our topic is about food. The name of the lesson is Our Food. The name of the lesson is Our Food. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about importance of food. First one is importance of food. And next one, who needs food? Who needs food? And next one is meals we eat. Next one is meals we eat. And then next one is food sources. Next one is food sources. And then healthy food and junk food. Healthy food and junk food. And lastly, good food habits. Good food habits. So we are going to discuss on these topics children. So today we are going to discuss about importance of food. First point is importance of food. Why do we need food children? Why? We are eating food daily, isn't it? And we eat so many food items like we eat rice with curries, and we eat tiffins, isn't it? And we eat fruits and vegetables. Why we are eating all these foods? Why we are eating food children? Why do we need food children? See, let us see the importance of food. Okay children, our body do many activities in our day-to-day life, isn't it children? So we work, we play and we do many more activities in our day-to-day life. So from morning to evening we go on doing something, isn't it? So we go on working, or you'll go to school, you'll play, you'll run, walk, isn't it? You'll write, you'll read and do so many things. When you take elder people, they will go to office, they'll work, isn't it? If you take your mama and papa, your mama will be working in the home, isn't it? Cleaning, washing, cooking and all this. And if you take your papa, he's going to office, he's working there, isn't it? So we do our work, isn't it? We do many activities. So for all these activities, our body needs energy to work and play. So our body needs energy. So see here children, the boy is running, isn't it? And finally he gets tired. And finally he gets tired because of lack of energy. He doesn't have energy to run more, isn't it? So here like this, our body after working for a long time, our body needs energy. Our body needs energy. And when you feel hungry also, what do you want to do? You want to eat something, isn't it? So when we feel hungry, we want to take food, isn't it? So here, who is giving energy to our body? And from where do we get energy children? From our food. So that's why we eat food daily. So for that only, for energy, to get energy, we eat different kinds of food. So from these food items, our body gets the required energy. And this energy we use to work and play. So this energy we use to work and play. Understood, children? Not only this, children, our food helps us to grow. Our food helps us to grow. So see here, a small boy has become into an old man. So like this growing process takes place, children. For the growth also, we need food, children. We need food. Okay, children? So food helps us to grow stronger and taller. Okay, children? And also food protects us from diseases. Diseases, nothing but, children, sickness. We get common cold, fever, cough, isn't it? All these are sickness. So, and this food helps us to protect from diseases. It will protect us from so many sickness, so many diseases. So if you want to be healthy, children, you should eat proper food. You should eat healthy food, children. Okay, so like this is the importance of food. So all the living things need food, children. All the living things need food to live. So let us repeat the points, children. Food is very important because our food gives us energy to work and play, and our food helps us to grow taller and stronger, and our food protects us from diseases. So today we have discussed the importance of food, isn't it, children? And remaining points we will discuss in the next class. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.